abdomen by the
Anatomy of the
mesentery
small
proper.
intestine. The small intestine is a coiled, thin-walled tube about 1 inch in diameter and approximately 6 meters, 20 feet, in length in the unembalmed cadaver. It is much shorter in a living individual due to smooth muscle tone, see section 10.10c. It extends from the pylorus of the stomach to the cecum of the large intestine, thus, it occupies a significant portion of the abdominal cavity. The small intestine consists of 3 specific segments: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The duodenum forms the first segment of the small intestine. It is approximately 25 centimeters, 10 inches, long and originates at the pyloric sphincter, which regulates movement of chyme from the stomach into the small intestine. The duodenum is arched into a C shape around the head of the pancreas and becomes continuous with the jejunum at the duodenojejunal flexure. Most of the duodenum is retroperitoneal, although the very initial portion is intraperitoneal. The most significant function of the duodenum is to serve as an anatomic blender that allows for efficient chemical digestion. The duodenum receives 1. Acidic chyme from the stomach and 2. The secretions from the accessory digestive organs. These secretions include bile from the liver and gallbladder and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Thus, it is within the lumen of the duodenum where all of these substances are mixed, and where digestive enzymes, with many released from the pancreas, have contact with ingested molecules, and chemical digestion primarily occurs. The jejunum is the middle region of the small intestine, extending approximately 2.5 meters, 7.5 feet. It makes up about 2/5 of the small intestine's total length. The jejunum is the primary region within the small intestine for nutrient absorption, i.e., where the chemically digested contents that are received from the duodenum are moved from the small intestine lumen into either the blood or the lymph, see figure 26.2b. The ileum is the last region of the small intestine. At about 3.6 meters, 10.8 feet, in length, the ileum forms approximately 3/5 of the small intestine. Its distal end terminates at the ileocecal valve, a sphincter that controls the entry of materials from the small intestine into the large intestine. Absorption of digested materials continues in the ileum along with the absorption of bile salts and vitamin B12. Both the jejunum and the ileum are intraperitoneal organs and are suspended within the abdomen by the mesentery proper.